Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and handle customs documentation when purchasing from Alibaba. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. In this video, I'll be talking about customs clearance process and documents you need to know. So let's just get straight into the video. First of all, let me just make sure you understand what customs clearance means. It is simply a procedure of submitting documents and securing approval from the pertinent authorities of both the exporting and importing countries. So basically they need to have guaranteed compliance with global trade treaties, local trade laws, and simply necessary import duties and taxes are settled. So now, in order for you to go ahead and process with the customs clearance process, you need to understand what it is first. So there are going to be three stages of your custom clearance process. One is going to be inspection stage, the second one is going to be taxes and duty calculation, and finally payment for relief. Now this is just a general process, but this might vary depending on multiple countries and the type of goods and mode of transport. So in the first step, which is inspection, what you need to do is make sure you understand the laws of your country and understand what are the paperwork such as invoices, certificates of origin, and shipping documents are required in order for you to go ahead and custom clearance. So just go ahead and have a chat with your supplier as well in order to go ahead and cooperate and get those documents checked. Once you have the documents ready, all you need to do is now progress from documentation inspection and just get into the process which advances to taxes and duty calculation. Normally how it is done is by harmonized system codes or HS codes, and it just depends on how much tax your country charges on the certain product that you are getting. So once you go ahead and do that, custom authorities assess the applicable duties based on various factors like the goods value, type, and specific import regulations of the importing country. And all you need to do is pay the taxes, the duties, and simply go ahead and clear the process, and that is about it. You can get your products. Then you also need to have commercial invoices, a bill of lading, airway bills, right, packing list, certificate of origin, and HS code classifications. If you have all these, you'll be pretty strong with your documentation and you will not face any problems. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.